जगन्नाथ
जय
जगन्नाथ
जय
जगन्नाथ
जगन्नाथ कृष्ण
जय
हरे
जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
जय
जगन्नाथ
जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
जगन्नाथ
राधे पूरी जगन्नाथ गोविंदुल्लाह हरे कृष्ण
Jai Jagannath. Can you all listen to me? Can you hear?
जय जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
जय जगन्नाथ
Yes,
जय
Prabhu. Yes.
जगन्नाथ
That's why you can speak, Prabhuji, please.
You can speak, Prabhu. Jagannath ji is doing his leelas, but I just want to tell you, you are very, very fortunate. You are getting these exclusive live darshan from Sri Jagannath Puri Dham. Let me rotate the camera for all of you. Let's chant the pranam mantra. I'm zooming in. These are exclusive direct darshans. Special mercy of Srila Prabhupada and all the Guru Parampara. So Nilachale Nivasaya, Nityaya Paramatmane Balabhadra Subhadrabhyam Jagannataya Tenama Deva Deva Jagannatha Prabhunathi Vinashanam Traimam Pundarikaksham Patitam Bhavasagare Subhadra Mayas Pranam Mantra Jai Devi Bhakti Datri Prasaditi Parameshwari Jai Devi Subhadritam Sarvasham Bhadradaini Balaram Pranam Mantra. Raise your hands up. Jai Balaram, Jai Balabhadra. Namaste tu Halagrama, Namaste Mushalayuda, Namaste Revati Kanta, Namaste Bhakta Vatsala. Jai Jagannath Swami Nayana Patagami Bhavatumi. Look at all the devotees lined up. There is not even a single space to stand. Jagannath is in a little while going to go inside his Sri Mandir. I hope you can have darshans of the Neela Chakra. So I just saw your group name is Dhyana Yoga something. So right now, Dhyayan Upastat Katena Manasa Pashyanti Yam Yogina. Right now, Shivji, Brahma, Indra, Chandra, Surya, Chandra, Ganesh, all the demigods are right now worshipping Lord Jagannath. Dhyan laga rahe hain. This is the ultimate dhyan when you get the opportunity to see Jagannath. So I am praying on behalf of all the devotees watching. May Lord Jagannath call you to Jagannath Puri Dham. Can you see his eyes? The eyes are very merciful. You have to look at his huge glowing eyes. Please unmute everyone and let's just chant Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna.
हरे कृष्ण हरे
हरे कृष्णा
कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण
हरे
कृष्ण
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे
कृष्ण
हरे
हरे राम 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 हरे राम
राम
हरे राम
हरे
हरे
राम हरे राम
हरे
राम
कृष्ण
हरे
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 राम 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 हरे
हरे राम राम
हरे
राम हरे हरे जय
हरे
जगन्नाथ
कृष्ण हरे राम
जय
हरे राम।
Prabhuji, please unmute, Prabhuji.